rising, blushes and fires, tender kiss, days to dusk in eternal bliss. The sun dips low, painting skies in amber fire, clouds like sails on winds of pure desire. Shadows stretch long in a dance so free, releasing the burdens that chained you to me. Fields of gold waving in the closing light, healing the fractures of the endless fight. Waves crash softly on shores kissed by a flame. Birds return home whispering your name. The air grows thick with the scent of farewell. Yet in this glow, stories of hope we tell. Hearts unwind like vines in the evening's hold, finding solace in colors bold and old. Sunset's warm glow, wrap me tight, ignite my soul in your radiant light. Let the embers heal, let the shadows flee. In your therapy, I'm finally me. Joy in the fade, peace in the burn, eternal sunset lessons I learned. Mountain silhouette against the fiery sea, stars peek shyly in conspiracy. The world's breath slows to a crimson sigh, mending the spirit under vast sky. Forgotten dreams flicker like sparks in the west, awakening wonder in every chase. Twilight whispers of tomorrows untold, the sun's last gift turning base into gold. In this canvas of heaven, the soul finds its heart, energy surging from a grateful heart. Time's gentle close, a portal to rest, where the universe cradles us blessed. Through veils of light, nebulae pulsing tune, sunsets echo across the cosmic dune. Align your light with the infinite one. Warm glow fades, but the healing remains. In dusk's embrace, break free from chains. Satisfaction in the afterlight's gleam. Sunsets there.